It's unboxing time again. Today we're unboxing Real Lady, a sub-brand of Ironart House established in 2023. It features an ultra-soft, highly realistic full silicone body crafted using finely sculpted clay and life casting, perfectly replicating every skin detail of the model's body. It comes with flexible finger bones that allow for a variety of hand gestures, and it also has toe bones. Great news for those who love delicate details. The level of detail here can absolutely withstand close-up macro observation. The SS level makeup uses 15 layers of ultra-realistic foundation. This is authenticity that radiates from the inside out. The head sculpt is paired with the T6, also known as Pure Face. The makeup is very delicate. When applying powder to the head sculpt, avoid the back of the head area. The purpose is to make it easier to fit a wig on later. The eyes use ultra-realistic standard bionic eyeballs. Just making eye contact with her for a moment makes my face blush. Install the head sculpt, then strike a simple little pose. Wow, her overall charm instantly goes through the roof. This realistic makeup, wax figure-level craftsmanship, collectible-grade body paint, and full-body skin texture molded from a real person. You can't even see the silicone seam lines. With a doll this lifelike, I almost feel like she's about to come to life.